So here's a real life walkthrough. I just created this campaign in aditerate.com, and it has created 3 different ad sets for me. So we're going to go over to Meta. We're going to do leads, continue. We're going to name the campaign. We're going to give it a mild budget. We're going to let it use the website because we've built a landing page, and we've hooked up our events engine. Yep. We're going to do 7-day, 1 day. We're going to exclude all leads. We're going to leave it advantage. So pretty straightforward. And then the first hook's going to be called Endless End the Lead Famine. Okay, and then you're going to set up your actual profile. You're going to hit create ad. You're going to put your landing page in. You're going to choose none. Okay. You're going to put your UTM parameters in. And then you're going to add your image ad. So we're going to download this one, and this one. So it'd be nice to have a little download button there. We're going to upload those 3. It'd also be nice to have a little copy. Okay. So those are the 3. We're going to hit next. These are the headlines. These are the descriptions. Yeah, see, when I'm clicking and copying, it's pretty fast, but it's adding some spaces, so I'm having to delete it. I need to figure out that. Okay, and then we're going to add the primary text. And you'll notice I did the primary text last because as soon as you do, it launches that ad assistant, which is not helpful sometimes. Okay, next. Okay, we are gonna turn that one off. We want music and animation, and then we want all of the languages off. Okay, so none there. All right, and there you have it. It's got the 3 images with all of our variations of content from our platform. So that's the first one. We're just going to quick hit duplicate, uncheck the video. We're going to come down here to the second one. We're going to need a copy for that. I don't like how I have to go into the code to get it, but we will make it work for the demo. Okay, so we're going to rename that ad. We're going to save it again. 1, 2, 3. And then this time you can actually copy the descriptions up front if you think that's faster. Sometimes it is, depending on how you do it. But you see it's adding the line break every time I'm copying from here. So Kind of annoying. All right, so now I did all that. I'm just gonna change selections. We're gonna upload our 3. We're gonna uncheck those 3 and recheck these 3. Yep. And if you do them in sets, you can see the uploads are a lot easier to manage. Anyways, same enhancements, music, animation, no languages. All right, looking solid. And then we're gonna do one more. Okay. Save the images. Let's do the descriptions. Descriptions are kind of a cheat code right now because Meta is using it to identify clients for your ads, whether they run it in the ad or not. So truth be told, it's more of like an SEO play now. Like you should have a description so that Meta knows your product or service better. Anyways, you can see I got them all updated. So we're just going to do the same thing and add in the 3 new images. And the text is already done. The settings are already done. All right. And then this one is going to just target the United States. And publish. So yeah, there's a real world example. It would have taken you forever to get this far. And so you can see connecting the dots to the 2 really fast and convenient.